soak for the week. When you're ready to clean, you would just bring this bucket up. It's got some holes in the bottom so the water will drain out. And then just hang it from this right here. And then we have 2 pins for a normal roller cover, and then these would be for the mini roller covers. These will all just always just be sitting in this container right here. So we'll get this hooked up. You want to switch the drill to the number 2 or the highest setting so it's the fastest. And then I would just take a cover out, put it on here like this. And then when I'm going to start this, I'm going to actually pull this into the corner and kind of pull it tight, and that'll kind of help clean it. If you try to do it in the middle, it'll jog around. So I'll use 2 hands on it. I'm not necessarily pulling it full speed because of the amount of water in here, it's going to slosh all over the place. So that would be the first bucket, which is more the dirtier water, and then this would be the kind of the rinsing bucket. And then I'll dry it off in this bucket. So that one's done. Let's check the inside, make sure it's clean. If there's some residual paint on the inside, just flip it over. Just flip it over like this and rinse it one more time. So that one's done. Let's go ahead and get these. I got 3 roller covers in here. I'll go ahead and clean up real quick. You want to make sure you don't get that drill down too far. We don't want to get this wet and damage the drill. Okay, so now I'm going to rinse out and clean a mini roller cover. Now for the mini roller cover, it's got to be something with a nap on it for this to work. It won't work with like a foam or a flock mini roller. So same process. I just changed out the fitting here for this fitting that's in there. That one's done. Now for a flock mini roller cover, it just won't release the paint because it's too tight, tightly woven. So I would just get some more water going here and just keep squeezing it like this and pressing it until I don't see any more paint coming out of it. And then I know it's good, and I can still throw it on here quick. It's dry for the most part, but I can still throw it on here to kind of just dry it out quick. And then I'll bring these roller covers back to the shelf over here. So the used ones, we want to make sure go in the right cover. So we got 3/8 and 3/4 is the 2 main ones that we use. So again, you're going to want to grab from this whenever you are starting a job, assuming the roller cover is still intact. If we don't have any more, we stock more roller covers back there that are brand new. And then the mini roller covers, used ones will go in this bin, and then any of the new ones are going to be in here. So you're going to want to grab from this used bin first before you grab something new. So that pretty much sums up cleaning out the roller covers.